Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace wheel studs Subaru WRX, only way. Begin by lifting the car safely with jack stands and removing the wheel. Inspect the hub and rotor for damage and clean mating surfaces with a wire brush. Remove the brake caliper and rotor to access the hub. Use a hammer and penetrant to free the broken stud, and plan to use a replacement stud and correct torque values when installing the new stud. Support the caliper and take off the rotor to expose the hub bearing flange clearly. Apply penetrating oil around the stuck stud and let it soak to ease removal. Use a hammer or stud puller to drive the damaged stud out from the hub flange carefully, protecting the hub face. If the stud is severely corroded, use heat and a cold chisel technique, then clean the hole thoroughly before fitting a new stud. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum cleans up metal shavings, dust, and dirt so your workspace stays tidy while you wrench. It has voice control and smart mapping that saves time and keeps floors clear between jobs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Position the new wheel stud in the hub hole and start the lug nut by hand on the stud thread to draw it through. Tighten the lug nut gradually using a torque wrench or impact tool until the stud seats fully and the knurled shank locks into the hub. Replace the rotor and caliper, torque the caliper bolts, and then install the wheel. Finally, lower the car and torque the wheel lug nuts in a star pattern to the correct specification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.